In this video, I'll guide you through how to upload files to Dropbox from Outlook, even though the old Dropbox for Outlook add-in is no longer available. The integration many people used in the past was discontinued, which is why you may not see those add-in buttons anymore, but you can still move your email attachments into Dropbox quickly and reliably using a simple workaround. I'll walk you through each step so you know exactly what to do. We'll focus on using Outlook in your web browser and then saving those files into your Dropbox folder on your computer, which will automatically sync to the cloud. This method works on both Windows and Mac as long as you have the Dropbox desktop app installed and set up. First, open your browser and go to the Outlook website, sign into your email account as you normally would. Once you're logged in, go to your inbox and find the email that contains the attachment you want to save to Dropbox. Open that email so you can see the attachment area. Next, look at the attachment itself. You should see a small drop-down arrow or a more options icon next to the file name. Click that arrow and from the options that appear, choose download. This will save a copy of the attachment from Outlook onto your computer, usually into your default downloads folder unless you've changed that location. If your browser asks you where to save the file, you can confirm the downloads folder so it's easy to find. Give the download a moment to complete. It's a good idea to quickly check that the file finished downloading by either looking at the download bar in your browser or opening your downloads folder and confirming the file is there. Now, switch over to your computer and open your Dropbox folder. On Windows, you can do this using File Explorer. On a Mac, you'll use Finder. The Dropbox folder should appear in the sidebar as long as you have the Dropbox desktop app installed and you're signed in. If you don't see it, make sure the Dropbox app is running in the background. With your Dropbox folder open another File Explorer or Finder window and navigate to your Downloads folder. You should now see the file you just downloaded from Outlook. Arrange your windows side by side if that makes it easier to drag between them. Click and hold the downloaded file in your Downloads folder, then drag it directly into the Dropbox folder window. When you release the mouse, the file will be copied or moved into Dropbox, depending on your settings. You'll usually see a small syncing icon appear on the file, indicating that Dropbox is uploading it to the cloud. After a short time, that syncing icon should change to a green check mark showing that the upload is complete. At this point, your file is safely stored in Dropbox and will be available on any device where you use your Dropbox account. That's all there is to it. Even without the old Outlook add-in, downloading the attachment from Outlook on the web and then dragging it into your Dropbox folder is a straightforward way to keep everything backed up and organized.